jing'an, jing'an.
Go check out the road.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. So yeah, I just went through that narrow alley and the camera keeps getting overheated. So this is the beginning of Nanjing Road for the Pedestrian Street alleyway. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to go through that because usually the people, there's like tiny little alleys some ways sometimes, and there'll be people that will, you know, like block it with a whole group of them, like all the way across instead of going single file. I don't know, maybe people need signs for that, I don't know. Maybe they do that everywhere. But I always see that anyways. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera and let it cool off a little bit. Okay, Nanjing Road. And it looks pretty crowded. We're gonna walk across this side. Sichuan Road is right there. And the Bund is straight ahead. And we're gonna just follow this, which is probably gonna be insanely crowded because it's a really narrow road, but we're gonna take it anyways. Tourist stuff. Good. There's women walking into the street. That's the way to do it. Okay, I have to be careful of this camera overheating. But yeah, we're on Nanjing Road and we're kind of on a narrow path, and it's going to be all pedestrian in a few minutes. Okay. Fire hydrant? There's a little lane house, but I thought the camera went off again for... Okay, let's turn this off and try to get around here. Good luck to me. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna try to get by. Sorry. Sorry. It's hard to get by those little... Sometimes you got these tiny little roads, and everybody likes to It's kind of funny. So Nanjing Road, I started not too far away, and then now it's all the way here, which is pretty much the end, I think. I guess what surprised me was I was thinking it was like all of Nanjing Road, all the way through the city. It'd be one big long pedestrian street. Still might be, but I think that's kind of near the park where he was saying it ends. But anyways, that's kind of interesting. I'm gonna follow Nanjing Road anyways, whatever it's on it. False alarm, that park wasn't the end of Nanjing Road, so we're still going. So it is longer than I thought, it's longer than I did think it was, because it's gonna keep going past this street and keeps going, which is great, which is what I want to do. There's all these side streets too. So, okay. There we go. Kind of got some shade. I love Shanghai, SH. It's a pretty cool building. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna walk all the way down and just keep going. See where it comes out at. It's pretty bright sun. Might walk over to the other side and try to walk on that side. Looks like we have some traffic that goes through right here. Okay, I'm gonna walk in the shade a little bit. Alright. It's not bad. Let's get some air conditioning through some of these places. Okay. It's kind of funny because when you walk around and do the tourist stuff, you start seeing more, some tourists that you saw in other parts of the city. I saw that, noticed that. on the street a little bit. I'm seeing people that I saw in the financial district from the video before. Okay. It's kind of interesting to go behind me because I think people, sometimes I notice people are watching me with the camera, so they'll see me with the camera and they'll kind of turn around and look. So I don't know if I'm capturing anybody behind me doing that. Right. Okay, so we gotta watch. Feels like pedestrian, but actually it's like a major motorway of cars going through it. So we're gonna get back on this side. Navigate everything. It must look like a video game. Okay. Yeah, pretty crowded in this spot. I guess we'll go back out into the sun. There we go. At nighttime, this is when to see this, I think. Probably the Bund as well. Probably amazing at nighttime. Just saw some pretty cool stuff in all the different cities at nighttime. Things are all lit up and neon light lit, so it's actually even better than in the heat of the day. It's kind of like Las Vegas. Las Vegas is okay in the heat of the day, but at nighttime it's like pretty cool. China's kind of like that, one giant neon lit Las Vegas. Okay, gotta be aware of this thing overheating, so click it back down in a little bit. Okay, so I'm coming up kind of near, that's the end of the Nanjing Road. There's a big park there. And I'm gonna go right here like this below me because behind me this thing is emitting so much air conditioning. It is amazingly cool and refreshing here. I'm surprised there's not more people standing here. Some of these people maybe are. Hello, how are you? So trying to get some of this air conditioning. Oh, that feels really good. I'm just gonna stand here and try to enjoy that because man, that feels good. All right, so you're seeing more of Shanghai. So this is pretty cool. So this is basically what the view looks like from here. And this is the end right here, and we're gonna go down below, and then I think we can come back up on the other side. There's no way to get across there, I just tried, so. Okay, now I know where I'm at. This is called People's Station. So they have a bunch of workers. Mural. Everybody's working. So, okay. So yeah, this is called People's Station. People's Station, People's Square Station. So I'm just gonna keep walking down Nanjing Road in the opposite way. Okay, and so it looks like I'll be enjoying a park. So just kind of wanted to see the angle from it on video. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this. Looks kind of like a corporatized park. Monuments, things like that. All right, we'll just walk and explore. I might just conclude it. I'll just conclude this right here. So this is basically, you saw the Bund and Nanjing Road, and this is kind of where it goes when you get to the end. You get to People's Park. So we'll conclude, and I'll create a new video for whatever new thing I come across. So that's the conclusion for this. Hope you enjoyed that. If you like it, make sure you make some comments so that it gets in the algorithm and other people will know it exists. Kind of captured my attention. It's Hong Kong, kind of cool. So yeah, we're basically on Nanjing Road. I guess I just differentiate it by calling it Nanjing East, I think, or West. I'll label it accordingly. But the other one was more pedestrian street, and this one is more kind of quaint, small businesses, shopping, upscale, neighborhoodish, upscale neighborhoodish, cool, urban, pleasant, sophisticated, cosmopolitan, and everything else. So all right.
Chiquinha,